So here's a good one you don't see every day. What do you see? This is a brand new hood. It's one of those CAPA, I call them CRAPA, from what, 30 plus years ago when they introduced the certification of aftermarket parts. So this is a brand new hood, and as you can see, the spot welds are pulling apart. And so this was supposed to be delivered today, and it's gonna have to tell the customer some bad news. It's not gonna get delivered. And the technicians who put this together didn't notice that, but I noticed it right away, because as soon as I put it up, I felt the springiness, and then it was right in front of my eyes, and I noticed that. And so now, unfortunately, the owner is gonna have to notify the insurance company, waste time, notify the customer, waste time, and an unhappy customer, longer rental car, and get a hold of the parts department, go through an RMA return order to return this part, and get another part and repaint the second part, because it's not OEM, it's aftermarket, those high quality parts. All right, see you guys.